fire fades inside the grate. The hour is getting rather late. I watch the snow fall on the street, a silent blanket at my feet. Another year is come and gone, like the fading of a song. The calendar upon the wall is waiting for the final fall. Oh, December, paint the window white. Hold me in the middle of the long cold night. We are older now than we were in May, but the memories will never fade away. Turning the pages one by one, waiting for the return of the sun. Oh, December, my old